Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss class ninth biology, chapter natural resources. Dear student, you have discussed in previous classes about natural resources. Today I will briefly discuss about natural resources. First of all, we discussed about natural resources. That means everyone you know. Natural resources are the gift of nature to mankind. These have been exploited by human being since in beginning of civilization. At the time of resources were abundant there relative to human beings populations. Natural resources can be a substance of energy unit or the natural process like air, water, soil, mineral, energy, etc. The important natural resources. Our planet and Earth is only one of which life as we know in exist, मतलब हमारे ग्रह और हमारी पृथ्वी ऐसे रिसोर्सेस हैं जिस पे जीवन संभव है, जिस पे जीवन संभव है। इसका मतलब ये है कि इस ग्रह पर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म सरवाइव कर सकते हैं। मोस्ट लाइफ फॉर्म्स वी नो टू abundant in temperature, water and food. The resources is available on earth and energy from the sun are necessary to meet a basic requirement all life forms on the earth. Sunlight is a very important for living organism as like plant cannot be survived without sunlight. That means to the food formation of the process photosynthesis. What are these resources on the earth? मतलब ये रिसोर्सेस क्या हैं जो इस पृथ्वी पर पाए जाते हैं? These are the land, the water and the air. The outer crust of earth is called lithosphere. Water covers 75% of earth's surface. It is also found underground. Underground means you can say that underground water is a pure water that's used all living organism for drinking. These comprises the hydrosphere, the air that covers whole of the earth like a blanket is called atmosphere. The percentage of gases are found in the air, that means you know oxygen are found 21% and nitrogen found 78% and carbon dioxide CO2 will found 0.03% are in nature. The air is covered with whole of the earth like blanket is called atmosphere. Atmosphere is a covering of many types of gases, that means you know is atmosphere. Living things are found where these three exist, that life supporting zone of the earth where the atmosphere, hydrosphere and the lithosphere interact to make the life is known as biosphere. That means you can say that oxygen is most important gas that support the life on the earth. It is not present in free from oxygen in any other planets. In planets like in planets like Venus, Mars, where life does not exist, that region the amount of CO2 is very high, that is percentage in 95 to 97%, and life cannot be survived. The amount of CO2 on the earth is very small. Despite this, the amount of CO2 is fixed, and to maintain the following process, plant use CO2 to make their food, that means glucose, by the process of photosynthesis. All organisms generate CO2 during respiration to obtain oxidation of glucose, and burning of fossil fuel generates CO2. Dear student, we have discussed about the natural resources. There are two important types of natural resources are inexhaustible and exhaustible. You have discussed in previous classes. Inexhaustible resources are present in abundance. Abundant का मतलब होता है प्रचुर मात्रा में पाए जाते हैं. They are unlimited. दे कैन नॉट एग्जॉस्टिबल. इनके स्रोत जो होते हैं असीमित होते हैं, कभी ख़त्म नहीं होते हैं इन्वायरमेंट में. बाय ह्यूमन यूज, जिसको कि मानव यूज करते हैं, सभी सजीव प्राणी यूज करते हैं. इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जॉस्टिबल रिसोर्सेज आर सोलर एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, टाइडल एनर्जी, रेनफॉल एंड इवन एटॉमिक एनर्जी. एंड सेकेंड एग्जॉस्टिबल रिसोर्सेज. Exhaustible resources. A large numbers of natural resources are exhaustible. They are limited in quantity. ये एटमॉस्फेयर में जो है बहुत सीमित मात्रा में पाए जाते हैं. Their excessive use may cause their exhaustible. According to further divided into two parts. इसकी उपयोगिता के भी अनुसार इसको दो भागों में बांटते हैं. फर्स्ट रिन्यूएबल एंड सेकेंड इज नॉन रिन्यूएबल. रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेस, दैट रिसोर्सेस which can be regained once they have been used up are called renewable resources. Example, water, soil, natural vegetation. Natural vegetation का मतलब होता है food minerals as like food fibers and food, mainly food, wildlife, aquatic life, and human beings can survive this process. Non-renewable resources, those natural resources which cannot be regained, that means not regenerate, are called non-renewable resources. Examples, biological species like fossil fuels and petroleum. The brief of life in air. We have already discussed about the composition of airs in this topic. The mixture of many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. It is interesting to the composition of air for result that life or survive on earth. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, कुछ ऐसे इम्पोर्टेंट एलिमेंट होते हैं जो हमारे नेचर में पाए जाते हैं, जैसे कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन. ये सारे एलिमेंट नेचुरली फार्म होते हैं. जैसा कि कार्बन ऑक्सीजन से मिलता है नेचर में तो CO2 फार्म करता है, जिसको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहते हैं. फिर हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन से नेचर में मिलता है तो H2O हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड फार्म करता है तो पानी बनता है. ये सारी क्रियाएं नेचर में होती हैं